welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be learning Roman numerals from 10 to 1000. How to write our Roman numerals from number 10 to 1000, because I believe most of our friends already know how to write from 1 to 10. Now let's get right into it. Now Roman numeral 10 is X, okay? 20 is X, X. 30 equals X, X, X. And 40 equals XL, right? 50 is L. Now to ascertain how we got XL, for people that already know, that are conversant with their Roman numerals, if you know that your 50 is L, then you should know that 50 minus 10 gives you what? 40. So you subtract, and in some cases you add. That's how it is done. Then 60 equals LX. 70 LXX. 80 LXXX. That's 50 plus 30, right? And then 90 equals what? XC. Do you know why? Because 100 equals C. And since 100 is C, 100 minus 10 gives us 90. Okay? So now let's move on. C is 100. 200 becomes what? CC. Then 300 will be CCC. Okay? Now 400 won't be CCCC. No. Since 500 is D, 400 will now be what? CD. That's 500 minus 100 to give us 400. Now, then 600 will be DC. That's 500 plus 100 is 600. 700 DCC. 800 DCCC. That's 500 plus 300 to give you 800. Now for 900, what do you think is going to be? Since 1000 is M, I'll need 1000 minus 100 to give us what? 900. So that means 900 will be CM. Right? 1000 minus 100 gives us 900. I hope this helps. In our next video, I'm going to show you how to convert your numbers, your figures, into Roman numerals. I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.